Oh, you guys are so beautiful. I'm so glad you're excited that you're going to have something very special for bread. What? What's that? I'm on? Oh, I'm on! Hello everybody. It's me, Chef Mario. And today is another special episode in honor of a YouTuber, Super Mario 134, with his show, Cooking with Chef Mario. Today we're going to be making waffles, but not just any waffles. We're going to be making waffles that are shaped like everybody's favorite mouse, the leader of the club that's made for you and me. Can you guess who that is? Well, it starts with an M, just like Mario. Give up? Mickey Mouse.
Hey everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. And Minnie Mouse too. Oh boy, I'm so excited Mario invited us to get ready for our lunchtime. I know, isn't that great? Mario's gonna be making waffles that look just like Mickey. All right, now back to you.
Thank you, guys. And I'm going to need my helper Luigi to help me for this. As usual, let's get started. For this recipe, we're going to need these ingredients: pancake mix or waffle mix, spray butter, and we'll need some of these measuring cups, and our mixing bowl. Plus, we're going to need the special waffle press, Mickey waffle press. First things first, I gotta plug this waffle press in. Just be sure to plug it in carefully. You don't want to be in for a real shock. Get it? Almost there. Perfecto. We're going to need these ingredients: 1 1/3 cups of cold water and 2 cups of pancake or waffle mix. Here we go. Now we gotta pour this in pretty soon. There we go. Now for the second cup. Make sure it's perfectly just right. Finito. Now that that's done, let's pour in 1 1/3 cups of cold water. Be careful. Perfecto. Now it just has to be moisturized. To moisturize it, we have to use the whisk and mix it all together. Here we go. Stir, stir, stir the bowl for the recipe. If we stir and not eat, we'll eat waffles that look like Mickey. That's a great song, Mario. Thanks, Luigi. Now this should take a few minutes, okay? Make sure it's already perfect so it'll be ready to go into the waffle press. A few moments later. Perfect. Now that that's done, let's put in some spray butter inside the waffle press. That way the waffle mix doesn't stick. And make sure not to put too much or too little on the waffle press. You don't want to create a mess, do you? Perfect. Now let's carefully put in the waffle mix. And we'll have it sit for a few minutes. See, look at those ears. Don't they look exactly like Mickey? Okay, so now we wait. A few more minutes later. Looks like the orange light is already lit up. When it turns off, we'll open the waffle press and see how this baby will turn out. I think the waffles should be done now. Let's see how these babies turn out. Very carefully so you don't get burnt. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Look at those beautiful ears. Now let's do the same for the other one. Well, we've got ears. And finito! That's how you make delicious Mickey waffles. Oh boy, they smell delicious. Oh, they're just lovely.
Perhaps maybe we can split them for each of us. Fair enough, bro. I hope you enjoyed this cooking segment. And Super Mario 134, keep making those recipes super delicious. Ciao!